It's early 2023, so this was last year, and I'm working with two clients. They've both got pretty large followings, a couple of million subscribers each, and they've both got a video due this Friday. It's Wednesday right now, I've got 2 days left, and you know what, I should be fine. 2 days for these videos, I'll be fine. So I start on the first client. It was a Minecraft video, got the cut done, got some of the visuals done, and I'm working quite efficiently. But then suddenly, at the back of my mind, I have some thoughts. I start thinking about the other client. He was doing a Roblox video, and I'm thinking, he's gonna be pissed at me if I don't get this one done. But I try to stay focused. I stay on the Minecraft video, I'm doing the effects, and the thought of me missing the other client just gets too strong. So I switch over. You know what? I've done most of this video. Let me start on the cut for at least the second video. So now I'm working on the Roblox video, and I've done the cut. Just about to start the effects, but now the Minecraft video is on my mind again. So I switch back and I'm thinking, okay, I'll just continue back on my productive kind of workflow, and that doesn't happen. I work so much slower than I was before, and then I start feeling as though I'm going to miss not only this video but the other Roblox one as well, and I keep switching back and forth and I can't seem to stay focused. I was so stressed about missing them that was the reason why I missed those client videos. I ended up losing the Minecraft client, and till this day I just wish I had advice where people told me how to balance managing multiple clients at the same time. Because that day I felt as though I worked the whole day. I'd been sitting down for 6-7 hours and I had been so anxious that I got nothing done. But the way that you get multiple projects done is almost by forgetting those feelings for a bit and sticking with one project at a time. And it might seem as though like, oh, but then what about the other project? But just allow your emotions to kind of sit to the side and get one done. The reason being, you enter this thing called like a flow state. It's you being so much more productive because it kind of like you build that momentum. You might not have the multiple clients now, but you're watching content like this. If you watch my videos, you're going to be getting more and more clients, and there's going to be a point in your career where you have multiple guys and you're going to be thinking about what I say in this video, and it's going to help you in maybe a few months from now. So I beg you, just listen to this so you don't get burnt out and feel like killing yourself and losing clients and feel like you've lost all the work that you worked so hard to get. You need to enter what's called a state of flow. Flow state is this brief period where you become hyper productive. It's where the world dissolves around you. You're so engrossed in this task, it feels like you're basically working on autopilot, but in a way that the quality isn't diminished. The way you get into this state is through deep work. I have a whole video on a deep work protocol, so the steps to enter this flow state, and I won't have it linked below, I can't be asked, but if you search up Malice 3-step deep work protocol, it'll come up. It's quite a long video, but I've had editors that quite literally say within 1 day they get more work done than they usually did in a week. So the first thing is you need to learn how to get in flow, but the second one, and more applicable to multiple videos, is you need to know from the day before what projects you're going to be working on. Alex Hormozi, another amazing entrepreneur, I kind of looked into his morning routine, his like how he structures his day, and what he said is he only has maybe 2-3 things a day that he actually does. Because if you don't know what you're actually going to work on, you're going to come sit at your desk, open up Premiere, and then you're going to start wondering, what project should I do? Or do I even have a client? Maybe I should outreach. Should I fix my portfolio? You have all these random tasks that you're thinking about. You don't want your work time to be thinking about what work you want to do. You want it to actually be productive hours of work. So what you want to do is at the end of your day, just write a small list of the actual projects you're going to do. Don't make it simple like, oh, editing, schoolwork. You need to be specific. I'm talking like, okay, the cut of the Minecraft video, I'm going to get that done tomorrow, and also a school project, so this one homework I need to do, and also the visuals for this one trial that I'm doing. So then when tomorrow comes around, you don't have to start thinking about what to do. You just follow the plan as you put it out. I found that even me, after going through like so many productivity books and learning how to become productive, I've paid mentors to just learn how to stop like having anxious thoughts. Even after all of that, if I don't plan from the day before, my own brain gets like completely messed up and I get as little work done as I did a few years ago. So if you're trying this now, just at the end of the day, make a short like list of things you want to do. Don't go too much, like put 2-3 things on, and then tomorrow execute that. As long as you get those things done, you'll consider that a successful day. And a tool that I think you'll find really useful for this is having a project tracker, just to know, okay, so we've got how many projects to do and which one should we do tomorrow. You use a project tracker, which I've created for you. You can get it in the first link in the description, it should be there. It's called the Editing Vault. It's this huge resource that I've made. It's completely free, and at the top you'll have a section where you can put in any projects that you're doing. And the best part is it'll automatically sort it out by like deadline and priority, so you don't need to worry about which project you need to work on. You just work on whichever one comes up to the top. I've done all the formulas, the coding and stuff for that, so go get the editing vault in the description now. Yeah bro, hope you found this video useful. If you did, like, subscribe, do the YouTube shit. There'll be a video here that YouTube thinks you like, go click on that now, and yeah, take care, peace.